In this video, you'll learn how to check the Wi-Fi password on your Google Pixel phone. By following these steps, you will be able to access your network's password easily and share it with others if needed. Begin by opening the Settings app on your Google Pixel phone. You can find this app by locating the gear icon on your home screen or in the Settings menu. Look for the option labeled Network and Internet. Tap on this option to proceed to the next screen. After entering the Network and Internet section, you will see options such as Internet or Wi-Fi. Select Internet or Wi-Fi based on your device's configuration. This will display a list of available networks. Make sure you are connected to the network for which you want to check the password. Tap on the name of the connected network information. Now that you are viewing the network details, look for the Share option on the screen. When you tap on Share, the device may prompt you to verify your identity using your PIN or fingerprint. This security measure ensures that only authorized users can access the network information. Once verified, a QR code will appear along with the Wi-Fi password displayed beneath it. The QR code provides a convenient way to share your Wi-Fi connection with other devices. Others can scan this code to join the network without needing to type in the password. Ensure that you keep this information secure and only share it with trusted individuals. Take a moment to review the password displayed in plain text below the QR code. You can now either share the password directly with others or allow them to scan the QR code for access. It is important to limit sharing to trusted users to maintain your network security. Once you've completed sharing, you can exit the screen to return to the previous menu. Your Wi-Fi password is now visible and accessible as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.